Welcome back to Bitcoin Dorks, your daily source for news and analysis on the world of cryptocurrency. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a historic moment for the crypto world, the first ever digital asset license issued by the government of El Salvador. Earlier this month, El Salvador's Legislative Assembly passed a bill that would make Bitcoin legal tender in the country, a move that was met with both excitement and skepticism from the crypto community. And now, the country has taken another step forward by issuing its first ever digital asset license to Bitfinex, a popular cryptocurrency exchange. So, what does this mean for the world of crypto? And why is it such a big deal? Let's dive into the details. First of all, it's important to understand what a digital asset license is. In simple terms, it's a license that allows a company to legally operate as a cryptocurrency exchange or other type of digital asset service provider. It's similar to a banking license, but for the crypto world. Until now, there were no digital asset licenses issued by any government in the world. This meant that cryptocurrency exchanges and other crypto-related businesses had to operate without any sort of regulatory oversight, which made many people uneasy about investing in the space. With El Salvador's historic move, the crypto industry has gained a level of legitimacy that it never had before. Bitfinex, in particular, is now able to operate in El Salvador with the full backing of the government, which is a huge win for the exchange and for the entire crypto industry. Of course, there are still concerns about the volatility and unpredictability of the crypto market. But with governments starting to take notice and issue licenses to crypto businesses, we may start to see more stability and less skepticism from the traditional financial sector. So, what does this mean for investors and traders? Well, it could be a sign that now is the time to start taking crypto seriously as a legitimate asset class. With more and more governments starting to recognize the potential of crypto, we may start to see more institutional investment in the space, which could drive prices up and make crypto a more stable investment option. But it's not just investors who stand to benefit from El Salvador's historic move. The people of El Salvador, who have historically struggled with financial instability and inflation, may also see some benefits from the adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender. For one thing, Bitcoin is a decentralized currency, which means that it's not subject to the same fluctuations and inflationary pressures as traditional fiat currencies. This could help stabilize the Salvadoran economy and provide a more secure financial future for its citizens. El Salvador's move to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender and issue a digital asset license to Bitfinex is a big step towards legitimizing the crypto industry. Until now, most countries have either ignored or actively resisted the rise of cryptocurrencies, viewing them as a threat to their traditional financial systems. But El Salvador has taken a bold stance by embracing Bitcoin and recognizing its potential as a currency and store of value. This move has already garnered a lot of attention from the international community, with many experts predicting that other countries may soon follow suit. One of the key benefits of Bitcoin is that it is a decentralized currency, meaning that it's not subject to the same fluctuations and inflationary pressures as traditional fiat currencies. This could be especially beneficial for countries with unstable economies or high inflation rates, as it provides a more stable alternative to their national currencies. In El Salvador's case, the adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender could help stabilize the country's economy and provide a more secure financial future for its citizens. It could also attract more investment and business opportunities to the country, as companies that deal in Bitcoin may now see El Salvador as a more favorable environment for their operations. There are also risks and challenges associated with the adoption of cryptocurrencies. One of the biggest concerns is the volatility of the crypto market, which can fluctuate wildly in a short period of time. This can make it difficult for businesses and consumers to plan for the future and can lead to significant losses if investments are not carefully managed. Another challenge is the lack of regulation in the crypto industry. While El Salvador's digital asset license is a step in the right direction, most countries still do not have clear guidelines or regulations for cryptocurrency exchanges and other crypto-related businesses. This can make it difficult for investors and traders to feel confident in the market and can lead to fraudulent activities and scams. Despite these challenges, the adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender in El Salvador and the issuance of a digital asset license to Bitfinex are significant steps towards a more regulated and mainstream crypto industry. It shows that governments are starting to recognize the potential of cryptocurrencies and are willing to take steps to incorporate them into their national financial systems. In the coming years, we may see more countries follow El Salvador's lead and adopt Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies as legal tender. This could lead to increased adoption and acceptance of cryptocurrencies by businesses and consumers alike, which could drive prices up and make crypto a more stable investment option. Overall, El Salvador's historic first digital asset license is a big win for the crypto industry and a sign of things to come. It's an exciting time for cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors, and we'll be keeping a close eye on developments as they unfold. Thanks for tuning into this vlog, Bitcoin Dorks. Hopefully, you found this information useful and informative. And don't forget to subscribe to Bitcoin Dorks for more news and